Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss the three important character sketches of the chapter The Last Leaf, which is there in the class 9th syllabus, and the book is Moments, and it is the chapter number 7 of book Moments. So briefly we are going to see the story, but this video is not about the story, whereas we are going to see the character sketches of this story. So the story is about the supreme sacrifice by an old artist, Behrman. So one of the character is Behrman. Others are Sue and Johnsy. They are two young artists in the story. So they all share a small flat. So it's a small story, interesting story, and only three characters who are involved in this. So we are going to see the character sketches of these three characters. So let's get started. So first character is of Behrman. Behrman is a 60-year-old painter. He lived in the ground floor of the house where Sue and Johnsy lived. Okay, so they all live on the ground floor. He had a lifelong dream to paint a masterpiece. So what happens? The people who belong to any art or any, we can say, related with any music field, or from the background of literature, they want to produce something of highest quality, so that can be called as masterpiece. So this was the lifelong dream of this painter Behrman, to paint a masterpiece. Sue told him about the condition of Johnsy. So here, these two young girls whose name is Johnsy and Sue. So what happens? Sue comes to Behrman and she told about the condition of Johnsy. Johnsy felt that she would die once the last leaf fell from the ivy creeper. Now, here we will understand what is ivy creeper. Ivy creeper is a plant which many of you have seen, that the due to the weak stems of these plants, how do they grow? They grow along the ground, up a wall, or around another plant. Okay, so they grow by taking the help of the wall, or sometimes of another plant. So that kind of ivy creeper was there growing in their flat or outside their flat. Behrman and this girl Johnsy, what she felt, that she would die once the last leaf of this ivy creeper will fall down. Behrman thought of a plan to save Johnsy. Okay, now so Behrman, when he came to know about the situation of or condition of Johnsy, he planned something how he could save the life of Johnsy. He went out in the rainy and stormy night and painted a picture of leaf on the ivy. Okay, so all the leaves fell down, and in that kind of rainy and stormy night, he went outside and he painted a picture of leaf on the ivy, and it was so uh, lively in its look, so that Johnsy saw the leaf the next morning and got back her will to live. Okay, so she was thinking that when the last leaf will fall down, she will also be dying. So as the last leaf, or the leaf was made by Behrman in a way, so it was taken by Johnsy that it was the real one, and the next morning she got back her will to live, and she thought that it's not it is not falling down, so she also has in her mind that she will not be dying. But Behrman died of pneumonia because he had been out all night in the cold. So here we see that Johnsy was trying, or Johnsy had left the hope to live, and she was thinking that when the last leaf will fall down, she will also be dying. Here, on the place of Johnsy, who died, Behrman died because of pneumonia. And pneumonia is a case, or is a illness when somebody gets sick due to extreme cold or other things. So due to extreme cold weather in the night, this Behrman or this character dies. Thus, Behrman made the supreme sacrifice of giving up his life for the sake of another person. So, this is the story of great sacrifice, supreme sacrifice by an old artist whose name is Behrman. He was a great soul. In this process, he achieved the ambition of painting a masterpiece. But ultimately, what was his goal? To make a masterpiece, to paint a masterpiece, and this is what he has done before dying. Now let's see the other character whose name is Johnsy. Johnsy was a young artist who lived with her friend Sue. She fell ill very seriously and had pneumonia. So she had pneumonia and she was seriously ill. She had the fancy idea that she would die once the last leaf on the ivy creeper outside her window would fall down. Okay, so at the adolescent age, or when people are in their teenage, they they have certain kind of things in their mind and they assume the things. So here in this case, in the case of Johnsy, it is happening because a foolish thing came in her mind, and accordingly she was not ready to even come up from the situation when she was having certain kind of fancy ideas in her mind, and due to that she thought that when the last leaf will fall down, she will also be dying. So she had that kind of idea. The leaves were falling down very fast as the weather was stormy, and when the autumn season is there, when the stormy weather is there, all the leaves fall down. So this is happening. Only one leaf remained, and she felt that the last leaf will fall in the night and she would die. And she thinks that on the next day, when the last leaf will also fall down, then she will also be dying. Sorry. But Behrman went out in the cold night and painted a leaf on the wall. So Behrman did it, and in the cold night he was out and he was painting a leaf on the wall so that Johnsy could be saved. Johnsy saw this leaf the next morning and got back her will to live, and she thought that this leaf will not going to fall, and this is how she has got back her life also, her willingness to live also. But her foolish attitude led to the death of Behrman. But it was a foolish idea, foolish attitude of Johnsy, and this took the life of Behrman here. She was a weak hearted woman. Okay, so it's a lesson to all the people, all the readers, that we should not have these kind of stupid ideas in our mind, and we should try to understand, and we should be strong enough to not come in the trap of these kind of stupid or foolish ideas. Now, next character is of Sue. Sue was a young artist who lived with Johnsy. So, she is the friend of Johnsy and lives with her. She tries her best to feel Johnsy better and help him to get over her illness. So, she is the one who brought that thing in the notice of Behrman, that Johnsy doesn't want to live. She will be dying when the last leaf will be falling down of ivy creeper, and she was so worried, and she called the doctor, and doctor told that Johnsy does not have the willingness to live, and that's why medications were not helping her out. So but Johnsy would not listen to her. So anything Sue was doing for Johnsy, it was not working because Johnsy was not ready to listen to her. She was adamant, she was stubborn, she was not understanding that this could be life taking. She sought the help of Behrman to solve the issue, and she took the help of Behrman to solve the problem. Behrman solved the problem by painting a leaf on the wall. So we find that Sue is a true friend of Johnsy. Okay, so she was the real friend of Johnsy. So these are the three characters of this chapter, The Last Leaf. I hope you have got the understanding about the story also, what's happening in the story. and as we have seen the character sketches, so it will be helping you out while writing your answers. Okay, so if you like this video, share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.